In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make questions optional by default on your Google Forms so people or participants can skip over questions and still submit the poll, quiz, or form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Settings tab at the top, and then scrolling down underneath Defaults, you want to expand the Question Default section, and where it says Make Questions Required by Default, toggle this to the left to disable, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.